Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are happy with your parents at your home. My dear students, we have started chapter sets. Today we will discuss more about sets. बेटे हमने कल सेट्स के बारे में पढ़ा था. सेट्स क्या है, उसकी डिफरेंट टाइप्स क्या हैं, and sets under which condition. Now, what is set? Set बेटे a well-defined collection of object. Well-defined collection of object is the definition of a set, and object can be same or different. Object can be same or different. And well-defined means when you are giving the answer and when you are thinking about the collection, there is no hesitation. आपको उसमें कोई हेजिटेशन नहीं होना चाहिए ये उससे बिलोंग करता है या नहीं करता. मीन्स well defined means no hesitation about object of the group means it is a table or on a table one book, one box, one pen, okay, and one scale, one glass of water. Here all are different object, but all objects are well defined. So collection of object on the table is also a set. Collection of different object on the table is also a set. It means set include all object. It may be same or different but well defined. So after definition of set, notation for a set. Notation for a set means a set denoted by always capital letter and curly bracket, in which suppose A have A, B, C, D. A have A, B, C, D. So thus it is the notation for a set. Every set represent by capital letter and curly bracket. Which bracket? Curly bracket. curly bracket यूज करेंगे बेटे और कैपिटल लेटर यूज करेंगे और अंदर जो लिखा हमने ये क्या कहलाएंगे बेटे? एलिमेंट. क्या कहलाएंगे बेटे? ये एलिमेंट. आफ्टर नोटेशन representation of a set, we have discussed sets representation. One is tabular or roster form, and another is set builder form or rule method. So after notation of a set बेटे, notation of set means set denoted by capital letter, by curly brackets and with element. And sets representation tabular or roster form, either set builder form or rule method means roster or tabular form means write as listed. Write as listed. For example, if A have 2, 4, 8, 16. 2, 4, 8, 16. And for set builder form, we will write x such that x raised, what is x? What is x? Such that x is equal to, what will you write? You know, here 2 raised to power 1, it is 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4. So we can write x is equal to 2 raised to power n, and where n is greater than equal to 1, less than equal to 4. Okay, so here we have given list either element, but here हमने क्या लिखा बेटे, वन प्रॉपर्टी बना दिया x is equal to 2 raised to power n and n is greater than equal to 4, and where n belongs to natural also, n belongs to natural. Then if n raised to 1, then 2 ones 2, when n is 2, 2 square 4, when n is 3, 8, when n is 4, 16. It is the example of tabular or set builder form. It is the example of tabular or set builder form. Now we have types of set. We have types of set, in which first type is finite set. So you know about the word finite. Finite means the element of a set in finite order. In finite order, for example, I will write A have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the example of finite set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 in finite order. Another example, Sunday, Monday, okay, up to Saturday. So you know days of the week is also in finite order. We can count Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So in which a set in which the number of element in finite order countable is called finite set. Next is infinite set. Infinite set. So you know what do you mean by infinite? Infinite means the number of element in infinite order. Suppose I will write here C set, and you can say natural number also. Natural is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. It is the example of infinite set. तो बेटे इनफाइनाइट सेट में क्या होगा, नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन इनफाइनाइट ऑर्डर, खत्म ही नहीं होंगे, चलते रहेंगे. सिंगलटन सेट. सिंगल मीन्स अकेला. सिंगलटन सेट मीन्स अकेला. तो एनी सेट विच हैव ओनली वन एलिमेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल सेट ए हैव 1, either set B have C, either set C have written 0. So here you can see only one element. A set having only one element is called singleton set. Only one element is called singleton set. Next bete empty set, null set, void set. You know empty means no, null means nothing, so all have same meaning. So empty set, null set, void set which have no element, which have no element is called empty set, null set or void set. But representation of set is, if no element, we will write phi, F-I-E, phi, F-I-E, phi. ये सर्कल बनाएंगे और ऐसे वर्टिकल लाइन लेंगे तो A इज इक्वल टू phi. इट मीन्स null set, void set, empty set, no element. If no element, then we will write A is equal to phi. Okay, either you can write only brackets, curly bracket, no element. If you will write then it is single element, it means singleton set. It means set A have one element. So for empty set, null set and void set, empty set, null set or void set, you will write only either A is equal to phi or curly brackets but no phi. If you will write phi here, it means one element, so we will take only phi or only with curly bracket. Yesterday, after empty set, null set or void set, equal set. Equal set means if two set A and B, all element of A, all element of A in B, all element of A in B and all element of B in A, all element of A in B and all element of B in A, then both the set are called equal set. Both set are equal set. For example, if I will write A is A, B, C, D and B have B, C, A, D. So you will check element of A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So both have same element. Therefore, set A and B are equal set. What is the condition for equal set? If two set, so all element of set A in set B and all element of set B in set A is called equal set. After equal set, cardinal number. So you know in mathematics, ordinal number, cardinal number. So what do you mean by cardinal number? Number of elements. Suppose I will write A have A, B, C, D. Then cardinal number denoted by A, NA. NA means number of element in set A. N means number of element in set A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then cardinal number of set A is 4. If I will write B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then cardinal number of B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ओके, तो बेटे कार्डिनल नंबर का मीनिंग क्या है? तो काउंटिंग ऑफ एलिमेंट. तो यहाँ हमने एलिमेंट काउंट किए 1, 2, 3, 4. तो नंबर कितने हुए बेटे? टोटल 4. यहाँ कितने हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट इन सेट बी क्या हुआ बेटे? 5. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट आता है बेटे इक्विवेलेंट सेट. Equivalent set, it means both have same cardinal number. Both have same cardinal number means suppose A have A, B, C, D, E. Therefore, NA is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And B have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number of element in B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you know NB 6 and A 5. Therefore NA is not equal to NB. It means set A and B are not equivalent. Set A and B are not equivalent. If I will write set C, in which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then NC 5. So you know NC 5 and A 5. It means A and C. Set A and set C are equivalent. Here N may have 1, 2, 3, 4 and B have also 1, 2, 3, 4. NA is equal to NB. It means equal set also equivalent. If two sets are equal, then also equivalent, but equivalent set are not equal set. For example, C and A. A and C are equivalent but not equal. So keep in mind, equal set are equivalent but equivalent set are not equal set. Not equal. Now we want to write the word mathematics. Write the word mathematics in a set form means write the mathematics in set builder form, either in tabular form. So we will write it in tabular or roster form. Suppose it is set A, then property of set is we will write all element. We will write all element but don't repeat. आपको repeat नहीं करना होता. If you want to write any word, M A T H E. Now again we have written here. Okay, so don't repeat. We will write only one time. Then again A T I C S. Okay, so we will write as a set of any word. Another, suppose M I double S I double P I. We want to write in set form. Then set A have first is M I S. We will not repeat, S not repeat, I not repeat, then P. Okay, so it is the form of a set by using any word. With the help of any word you can take wolf. Then set is W O L F. Okay, if I will write, then set F O L W. So now you will check. I will give name B F W O L. It means set A and set B have same element. So therefore set A and set B are called equal set, also equivalent set. So when you will write in set form any word, then don't repeat any alphabet. Clear? Same any digits also. If any set have written 2 3 6 2 3 6 5 4 5, so we will refine it. We will refine it. Refined mean we don't repeat any digit. 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So here two times, but we will write only one times. Then we know in a set any digit or any alphabet not repeat. It should be written only one time. It should be written only one time. And we have discussed about the symbol belongs to and not belongs to. You know in set A, T. T here or no? No. So therefore T not belongs to A. If I will write S dash set A, so you know S is the element of set A, therefore we will write S belongs to A. So my dear students, today you will revise types of sets and what is set and representation of set and which type group not in a set. Then we will start next step of sets, some examples or exercise. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. If you are facing any problem about speed or doubt, you can ask by telephonically, either by WhatsApp or SMS. Thank you.